make some super easy heart paper clips. Yeah, you heard me right. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so yet another night I needed an easy project. And so I was messing around with some paper clips, and this is what we're going to do. I have these red paper clips from Dollar Tree, and I am going to bend it. I know this seems sacrilegious, but we're going to bend that part up. And now it, friends, it's that easy. Listen, I have been cleaning my craft room all day. I'm trying to reorganize it and all of the things. And do you ever just have one of those days where you're like, I'm tapped, I am done? But paper stuff makes me happy. Office supplies makes me happy. And to make it into a heart so that you could give it as a, I don't know, a Valentine's. Oh, so much fun. So again, you're going to take it, and it's the, you want to make sure that that free edge, that free part is in the back. Okay. That part, make sure it's in the back, flip it over. And then look at, I made a card, and yes, I do have digital downloads for this card. It is adorable. I made it on Canva. Again, easy peasy. I had to listen. I showed you 3 times, and the reason why is because I needed to see it 3 times. Like, I could not figure it out. I had to, okay, I probably did it 10 times. So there's probably 10 unusable paper clips in my garbage can. I can't confirm or deny that is true. But once I finally got it, I had to show you several times. Yeah, I know. I'm one of those visual learners for sure. So anyways, I made this little graphic in Canva. It's super cute. It says, "Mark my words, you are so loved." I also have ones that say, "So appreciated," and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I printed it on cardstock. And all I'm going to do is just cut it out. Trick for you when you're making, if you are not good at cutting out a straight line like me, I made like a boho kind of edge with polka dots. And it's so forgiving. Yeah. So, all right. So I have the card, and all I'm going to do is in the center of the card, I'm just taking an X-Acto knife and a ruler, and I'm just going to put a line right down the center. And it is going to be able to, not only can we put these in it, but this could be used for other bookmarks with the ribbon on top. Works for that too. But here's our little heart. Look at how cute this is. I mean, stop it. Look at how cute. For a person who loves paper clips and paper products, or loves to read, all of the things, this is a really fun gift for them. I'm just saying. Look at how cute this is. Stop it. Quit it right now. Oh, I love it. And you could do it different colors. What? I know. All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.